Hi, my name is Greg Schmaltz. I'm with Floodgate Medical. Fortunate enough to join Floodgate about 2 weeks ago as a talent director. Prior to Floodgate, I was director of recruiting for a medical device company. It was awesome. 3 years there, built a team, ran the recruiting department. Unfortunately, the department was laid off late last year, and my CEO referred me to Joe, the president here. The thing I love about recruiting, which I've been doing for 20 years now, is really helping people advance their careers. The feeling I get from people's advancement and seeing their careers flourish really motivates me. I also get a great reward helping my clients build their teams, watching them become more successful. Floodgate has the most advanced technology in the recruiting world. I love it. It speeds me up, speeds everything up, the whole process. The team, we have 20 plus recruiters here, and the culture is amazing. I'm from California, so besides hanging out with my wife and my kids, I like to be outdoors. I like to paddleboard, I like to mountain bike, I like to snowboard, so I'm fortunate enough to be in a great spot for that.